Hey, food lovers! Today, we're taking your favorite fast food fish sandwich and bringing it straight to your kitchen. If you've ever craved that crispy, flaky Filet-O-Fish but wanted it fresher, better, and homemade, this recipe is for you. No drive-through needed, and I promise this version will take your sandwich game to the next level. Let's dive right into it. 1. Prepare the batter. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and sugar. Gradually add the cold water while whisking until the batter is smooth and lump-free. The consistency should be slightly thicker than pancake batter. 2. Heat the oil. Pour enough vegetable oil into a deep pan or fryer to cover the fish. Heat the oil over medium-high heat to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 3. Coat the fish fillets. Pat the fish fillets dry with paper towels. Dip each fillet into the batter, ensuring it's completely coated. Allow any excess batter to drip off before placing the fillet in the hot oil. 4. Fry the fish. Carefully lower the coated fillets into the hot oil. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the fillets are golden brown and crispy. Once done, transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 5. Assemble the sandwiches. While the fish is still warm, place a slice of American cheese on top of each fillet so it melts slightly. Lightly toast the hamburger buns, then spread a generous tablespoon of tartar sauce on the bottom half of each bun. 6. Add the fish fillet and serve. Place the crispy fish fillet with melted cheese on the bottom bun. Add a couple of pickle slices if you like, and top it with the other half of the bun. Pro tips: for the most authentic taste, use classic American cheese, but feel free to swap it out for cheddar or even Swiss if you prefer. Serve with fries and a cold drink for the full fast food experience.